There comes a moment in every man's life when silence becomes heavy. A moment when he looks at himself, not as he wishes to be, but exactly as he is. A moment when he understands that no one is coming to save him, and that the life he dreams of will not appear out of thin air. This moment is sacred, because it is the moment you finally decide to rise. You were not born to live hidden behind excuses. You were not created to remain average. The world around you, every street, every building, every invention, was built by individuals who decided that their will was stronger than their circumstances. And the truth is simple. Men are not defined by what happens to them, but by what they do next. Hardship does not break you, it reveals you. Struggle is not a punishment, it is a sculptor. Pain is not the end, it is the beginning of awakening. There is a man inside you waiting to come alive, a man of discipline, clarity, and direction. But he will never awaken until you stop negotiating with weakness. You cannot expect greatness while living in comfort. You cannot ask for strength while avoiding discomfort. Every man who leaves a mark on this world faced a season of suffering that shaped him. As Marcus Aurelius wrote long ago, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. This wasn't just philosophy. It was a manual for warriors. It is a manual for you. You have fallen before. We all have. But falling is not the tragedy. Remaining on the ground is. Failure is not your enemy. Comfort is. Fear is. Hesitation is. So today, ask yourself, how long will you delay the life you know you are meant to live? You have wasted days, maybe years, but the story is not over. It can't be, because you are still breathing, and breath means opportunity. Let me be clear. Nothing, absolutely nothing, replaces hard work. Not talent, not luck, not confidence. Success bows to effort, and effort alone. Theodore Roosevelt once said in a public domain address, "In this life, we are called not for ease, but for effort." These words are as true today as they were a century ago. If you want a life of meaning, if you want power, if you want to become a man others admire, you must sweat for it. Discipline is not slavery, it is liberation. When you control your habits, you control your results. When you control your mind, you control your life. And when you control your time, you control your destiny. Stop chasing motivation. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is a fire. To become unstoppable, you must be willing to do what normal men refuse to do. You must train when you're tired, study when you are bored, work when others rest. And above all, you must keep going when everything in you wants to quit. No excuses, no complaining, no negotiation. Pain is not the enemy. Pain is the forge. Every hardship has been preparing you. Every heartbreak has been shaping you. Every loss has been training you. Nothing was wasted. Nothing! Your suffering is not your weakness. It is your strength in disguise. One day, people will look at you and say, "I don't know how he kept going." They will see the results, but they will never see the nights you fought alone, the mornings you forced yourself to rise, the battles you never mentioned. And that is what makes greatness sacred. Your success will not be loud at the beginning, but it will echo for years once it arrives. So, rise. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready. Rise now! There is a life waiting for you, a life that demands strength, courage, and endurance. Do not settle, do not retreat, do not break. Become the man who refuses to quit. Become the man who rises beyond limits. Become the man worthy of the life he desires. Your future begins right now. Take the first step and don't ever stop.